Lord, just give me the patience. Bless me with patience, because I know that patience is well needed, especially in this world. And with 2025 being here, because I waited on it, can't be patient no more. But you have to build some type of patience. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yesterday was a fairly smooth day. I was able to go to the studio, set up, shoot, fly my drone. Sony didn't fix my camera. My Bluetooth and my Wi-Fi doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, I can't wirelessly airdrop or view my camera from my phone. Crazy thing is my insurance expired on December 15th, but I thought it was all fixed. But the problem is that doesn't work. And if anybody is a Sony user and they have some advice, please let me know, because right now, looks like a lost cause. With this year, I'm trying to push my content. And the way to push my content is to push other people's content as well. So if I'm shooting it, that's expanding me and helping me build my brand, because we want to grow as a brand. I know I've been away. I woke up late, so we're gonna gym at home. If you're trying to start a business, whatever you're trying to do, you have to go hard for it 100%. And if you choose not to, then how can somebody else take you serious in what you're saying you want to do? They can hold you accountable. They can only hold you accountable for so long. And if they hold you accountable and it's no action, no progress, you're wasting their time and your time. If you want to be successful, do something, you need to go all full force for it. When you're not doing that, nobody's gonna take you serious. So in order to take yourself serious, and to have others around you take you serious, do what the fuck you need to do. Set goals, write it down. Fuck that shit putting it on your phone, because you get distracted by so many other things that are on your phone. Get some pen and paper and write that down. You have to take yourself serious. You have to write down that goal and do what you need to do, but also fuck the wants. Once you do what you need to do, all those wants and stuff will fall into place. But this is also advice I have to take for myself, because it's things I want to do and I'm not doing it because I'm not taking myself serious. 2025 will not catch us slipping. We cannot slip this year, because if we slip, we falling through the cracks. And how are we gonna get through that crack? You tell me. If you got the key, let me know. Let's continue this workout. Okay, I'm tired. Workout is complete. We're good to go. Let's get this going. Gonna wash my ass and we're gonna shake things up a little bit. All right. We got it. Let's try it and rate it on a scale of 1 through 10. Maybe if you eat it fast, it's not that bad, but it's bad all around. We still got 50% left. And I have never eaten a whole dragon fruit before. I'm not a fan. You know something I thought about? I spend so much fucking money on shoes. I don't wear them all. But why do I buy shoes? Because I like sneakers. There's just so much things you can do with sneakers. But with me buying so many sneakers, I happen to forget what sneakers I own. With that being said, we're going to go through sneakers that I forgot I owned. We'll do one pair a day. One pair of vlog. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, I'm gonna show you. I don't know when I got them. And I actually didn't buy these. My girl bought them for me because she loved me. And that's what you do. You buy things for people you love. I only wear these every so often, depending on the occasion. I don't wear them too much. If you can see inside of the box, you know which ones these are. But I don't wear them that often. It's a nice shoe. Damage and dirt, but 4, almost 5 years. These are holding up pretty good. I have definitely worn them. That's new. Tag that was on there, but why would I wear this big ass tag on some shoes? I think they look One thing I do wish on these though is that this like rubber glowed in the dark. If that glowed in the dark, boy, they would have me in a chokehold. Here's a pair of some Jordans that I own that I forgot I owned. We'll see what we dive into tomorrow.
I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight.
Get a little Bible verse for today, which is more so to walk by faith and not by sight. The things you see may not be the things that you need. Although it looks good, it's not for you. We gotta start walking by faith and not by sight, because that's where the lust and the gluttony and everything gets involved. If you got your eyes closed and you walking by faith, I promise you, God got you. He gonna carry you. He gonna walk you down the right path and make sure everything works out. Walk by faith and not by sight. Because if you walk by sight, it's gonna be so many things you see that you want, but that doesn't mean you need it. If you don't need it, don't get it. It's the discipline behind it. You may want it really bad, but if you wait on it, once God puts the right things into your hand, you are good to go. Because if you just say a prayer one day and just expect it to happen, that's cool and all, but are you talking to God? Are you communicating? Are you letting him know? Like, are you being disciplined and keeping yourself consistent with communicating with him? If you're not, then you got a problem. You can't just talk to him when you're in need. Talk to him when you're not in need. When things are going great, just thank him, give him praise, and give yourself some grace. You got to do what you need to do in order to make things happen. Not do what you want to do. Do what you need to do in order to make things happen. I do want to say thank you to everybody who's watching. Thank you to the ones who like, comment, subscribe, show love. You guys are some real ones. And one of the first things I do want to say is make sure you pray. When you first wake up in the morning, before you go to bed, make sure you pray. Pray and be thankful for waking up, and pray before you go to bed, because you don't know if you're going to take your last breath, which I'm not saying you're going to take your last breath. I'm just saying appreciate and be grateful for the things that are around you, because once it's gone, you cannot get it back. Appreciate you got 10 toes. Some people don't have toes. Some people can't walk, but that's here nor there. 2025 is ours. This shit is our year. Do you believe that 2025 is your year? If so, how do you plan on taking it over? We got to hold each other accountable, and we got to build and grow together. So I got you. You got me. Fuck with me.